Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Zee Jamil Shares, and you are with me, Miss Zee Jamil, your English SPM tutor. So we know that SPM is just around the corner. It's next week, and English paper pun hari Rabu. So that's why today I feel like sharing with you some tips in answering English paper, which I hope will give you more confidence in answering those papers. Okay, inshallah. Alright, now, so in this video, I will share with you tips in answering reading comprehension question or section. Okay, now, what will be the first tip? Now, the first tip is for you to have at least 3 colored pens. Okay, so it can be black, blue, and maybe green. Okay, now, kenapa nak kena ada 3 color ni? Okay, so black, I always suggest my students to use black in answering their questions. Okay, and what about the other 2 colors? Okay, kita tahu for reading comprehension, for yang teks yang panjang berjela tu, okay, there are 2 tasks that you have to do. Okay, the first one is you have to answer the reading comprehension questions lah. Okay, and the second part is you have to write your summary. So having these 2 colored pens will be very helpful for you to differentiate your answers or the points. Sebab nanti there will be too many lines, kan? You dah underline semua jawapan-jawapan, nanti you confuse macam ni jawapan untuk reading comprehension ke summary? Dah confuse kat situ, kan? So having these 2 colours will definitely help you to differentiate the points. So insyaAllah selamatlah kat situ. Okay, so that is the first tip, which is make sure you have at least 3 coloured pens. Okay, alright, moving on to the second tip for answering reading comprehension section. Now, it's very important for you to read the questions first. Yes, baca soalan dulu, jangan baca teks yang berjela-jela tu, because reading the questions first will definitely save a lot of time. Sebab you banyak benda nak buat. You nak kena tulis summary, you nak kena tulis you have to answer novel, kan? So kat mana yang boleh save time, make sure you save time. So for reading comprehension, untuk menjimatkan masa, make sure you read the question first. Okay, lepas tu baru baca teks. And bila baca teks, bila baca question pun, okay, this is your tip number 3. Bila baca question pun, there are certain things that you have to do. Bukan baca je macam tu je, tak. So remember just now I told you have to have 3 colored pens. Okay, you use blue pula sekarang ni untuk underline the keywords. Underline the keywords. I really like SPM punya soalan sebab dia dah tolong student sebaik-baiknya, ataupun selagi boleh tu dia memang nak tolong student jawab. For example, dia dah bagi dah from paragraph 1. So you tahu you kena cari jawapan dekat paragraph 1. So you underline lah 1. You know that it has to be from paragraph 1. And you have to underline the keywords. Using the blue ni, underline keywords. Keywords tu macam mana? Okay, you tengok dekat soalan tu. Contohnya, from paragraph 1, what happened to the girl when she went to the market in the morning? Kan, tu soalan dia. So contohnya, keywords dia would be what happened, girl. Okay, it has to be girl, bukan boy. Market, morning. So tu keywords dia. Contoh dia. Okay, so once you dah underline keywords, and bila you baca teks, it will be much easier. Sebab you dah macam, bila you baca teks yang panjang berjela tu, kan, you akan baca, ni jawapan untuk soalan 26A. So bila dah baca, okay, now we move on to tips number 4. Underline the answer with the same blue ink. You dah underline, for example, ni jawapan dia untuk soalan 26A. Underline, dan dekat hujung tu tulis 26A. Macam tu. So bila you jawab soalan 27B, for example, you dah underline the keyword semua, kan? Lepas tu bila jumpa jawapan tu dekat dalam teks yang panjang tu, underline using blue juga, the same colour, remember, because this is for your reading comprehension punya soalan. And then tulis kat situ, kat ujung number tu 27B. So you do that first, lepas tu barulah you transfer all the information from the text, you transfer ke kertas dekat tempat nak jawab tu. Alright, tu insyaAllah will save a lot of time. Okay, and the last tip would be, make sure you bagi points je. You tak payah, dia bukan macam UPSR yang macam, for example, what is the girl's name? Well, the girl's name is Aziza. Tak payah macam tu, just bubuk Aziza. Okay, so that's all. I hope those tips are beneficial. And insyaAllah I will try to post a few more videos for you to answer your English paper more confidently, insyaAllah. Alright, so all the best to all SPM candidates 2019. Thank you.